can't do that.
Well, you don't have any?
Well, I have them in my desk.
That's not doing you good driving.
I don't think you're allowed to wear a...
Yes, you are.
Oh, really?
It's rubbish. It's a myth.
Oh. Yeah, I was thinking about it, like, because there's a really sunny day on my end test. I just didn't bring them because...
I literally can't drive in this without sunglasses. Left at the controlled intersection. See? Watch this guy here. Lots going on today. It's not like the weekend.
Yeah. Is it this lane or that lane?
This lane here.
Okay.
Always the outside lane, and then that way when you get around the corner, you'll already be in the right-hand lane and won't have to move back.
Oh, yeah.
But I promise you will not make it around here. You might. They lengthened it. Stop. Make sure you stop. If you go into the intersection, you will fail.
Over the line now.
That's why I wanted you. No, you're fine. You got stopped before the crosswalk. You are fine. If there's 2 trucks sitting in this lane right here at this light, this is a very short advance green.
Yeah.
There's a good chance if there's 2 vehicles in this lane or 4 cars or like 2 big trucks, there's a good chance you're not going to make it.
Yeah.
That's a good way to get yourself wiped out.
Let's just make lines in the middle of the road so people know exactly how to... I guess there's the tire
Well, the
marks.
lines are all worn out because it's winter, right? It's spring.
Yeah.
See that truck?
Yeah.
That truck weighs 63,500 kilograms. This thing weighs 1,000 kilograms. That thing weighs almost 60 times what your car weighs. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. So for here, I should just drive mostly straight.
Yeah. Yeah.
I should just follow those lines.
Yeah, just stay to the right of those a little bit. Outside, stay outside, outside. There you go. Now let that guy go ahead of you. That's your defensive. You don't want to track somebody. And where that car just turned, we'll turn right there.
Okay.
Turn left there because they might. There's a possibility they might bring you out there, and that advanced green can be a little tricky. I actually had a class 4 student fail a couple of years ago on that light because she followed the truck into the intersection.
Just going right or left?
Yes, go right. Sorry. Right. Shoulder check. As soon as you put that signal on, shoulder check. Mirror signal, shoulder check. Boom. Mirror signal, shoulder check. Then we'll go left.
Oh, yeah. They should teach driving, like, in school, because it just makes sense. Because you go to school to, like, learn stuff, but you don't know. You don't really learn most of the stuff you need to know in life.
Yeah, they don't teach you about money or business or being an entrepreneur.
Yeah. In the States, don't they have driving lessons?
Some of them they do. Some of them they do. Watch this guy.
Yeah.
That's what you got to be looking for, the guy coming around on the right, or the person coming around on the right. Left at the next intersection. Left center turning lane.
Oh.
See the road markings?
Yeah.
So it's a left turning lane in the center of the road.